This is a new 2016 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. It's powered by rear-wheel drive engine and an automatic transmission. The features include leather seats, heated seats, Bluetooth connectivity, a satellite radio, steering wheel controls, memory seats, alloy rims, auto-dimming mirrors, dual temperature controls, automatic climate control. Safety was made a priority with these features: curtain head airbags, side airbags, traction control, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning, daytime running lights, anti-lock brakes. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.